Between 2027 and 2035, Bolivia's megaproject landscape centers on a projected infrastructure recovery backed by a $4.5 billion Inter-American Development Bank funding package. Key focus areas include the Faja Norte-Yabacaní road, the Santa Cruz urban rail and smart city initiatives, Viacha solar park developments, and strategic lithium industrialization plans. Faja Norte-Yabacaní road. This is a vital road project, approximately 61 to 62 kilometers long, located in the Santa Cruz department of Bolivia. The project aims to pave and construct the road. It will connect the agricultural production areas and communities of Cascabel and Faja Norte to the town of Yapacani and the main connecting road. Project background information. Location, Santa Cruz Department, Bolivia, Yapacani area. Phase 1 covers a distance of approximately 61 to 62 kilometers. It will connect agricultural areas to the national road network, facilitating the transport of crops. It will improve commercial traffic and connectivity between towns and communities. The Biocatlante Railway Corridor. The Bolivian railway project is often referred to as the massive Biocatlante Railway Corridor. It is a strategic project for Bolivia aimed at connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans to boost regional trade and transportation without relying on Chilean ports. It stretches for approximately 1,521 kilometers within Bolivian territory and traverses parts of Brazil and Peru. It is expected to transport millions of tons of goods, reduce export costs, and facilitate trade between South America and Asia. It has garnered support and attention from international experts and companies from Germany and Switzerland due to the challenging mountainous terrain of the Andes Mountains. Tarija tunnel projects. The most prominent tunnel project in Tarija province is the Aguaragüe Tunnel. Declared as a national priority, the 1.2-kilometer-long tunnel will connect Caraboray and Yacuiba at an estimated cost of $50 million. Also included is the Falda de la Cañua Tunnel on the Potosi-Tarija Road, which is 1.22 kilometers long. Key tunnel projects in Tarija. Aguaragüe Tunnel. Length, approximately 1,200 meters. Cost, US dollars $50 million. Connects the towns of Caraboray and Yacuiba within the vital road network. Contributes to strengthening the regional logistics corridor, supporting connectivity between Bolivia and Argentina, Paraguay, and Chile. A presidential decree was signed declaring the project a national priority to finalize studies and secure funding. Falda de la Cañua Tunnel. Length 1,220 meters, located on the El Condor Pass on the Potosi-Tarija Road, Route 1. It will reduce travel time between Potosi and Tarija and bypass the rugged mountain terrain. Urban transport development in Santa Cruz Province. In Santa Cruz de la Sierra, Bolivia, urban transport is undergoing significant infrastructure modernization efforts. This includes reorganizing the bus network to reduce traffic congestion and decreasing the number of routes in the city center by approximately 40% to alleviate pressure on the old city center. In addition, rapid transit projects are being planned with international and local funding. Key urban transport development efforts and projects include restructuring bus routes. The municipality is implementing plans to reduce the number of bus routes operating in the historic center from 115 to 68 to improve traffic flow. The municipality is also working to implement the first integrated and sustainable transport system to reduce pollution and travel times with partial funding from institutions such as the Inter-American Development Bank. Contorno Bajo 1 Solar Power Plant Project. Located in the city of Viacha, La Paz Department, Bolivia, this is a 40-megawatt photovoltaic solar power plant. Its cost is approximately $39 to $40 million. It is situated at an altitude of over 3,700 meters above sea level. The project includes more than 74,000 photovoltaic solar panels. Construction is expected to be completed within 14 months of commencement. It is the first major solar power project in La Paz Department and aims to promote the transition to renewable energy in the high-altitude Andean region. Integrating and producing green hydrogen until 2050. Initial pilot projects have begun in Oruro, Tarija, and Santa Cruz. The goal is to diversify energy sources, reduce dependence on fossil fuels, and offset declining natural gas production. The government aims to invest approximately $26 billion by 2050. This investment will enable Bolivia to achieve large-scale production capacities for hydrolytes and strengthen the country's position in low-carbon energy markets.
Strategic lithium fields. Bolivia is home to the world's largest lithium reserves. Most of this strategic resource is concentrated in the Salar de Uyuni salt flat, along with other fields such as Oruro. The government is seeking to develop these fields through massive international investments to manufacture and export energy batteries. Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, covering approximately 10,000 square kilometers and the primary source of Bolivia's largest lithium reserves.
Salar de Oruro, an additional salt flat where joint ventures are underway to build lithium salt processing and extraction plants. Salar de Coipas, another strategic extension within the mineral-rich Bolivian plateau. The government aims to process lithium locally and produce cathodes and batteries rather than simply exporting the raw materials.